The Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot Vacuum is a premium, all-in-one intelligent pool care system designed for large in-ground pools. With industry-first technologies, water clarification, and smart surface parking, it redefines what fully automated pool cleaning looks like. Complete 5-in-1 pool cleaning system, AquaSense Pro combines 5 essential functions in one device: water clarification, surface skimming, wall cleaning, floor cleaning, and waterline scrubbing. The included bio-based clarifying agent made from recycled crab shells is skin-safe and eco-friendly, delivering cleaner water without harsh chemicals. Automatic water clarifying technology. This robot leads the industry with its built-in automatic clarifier dispensing system. It actively eliminates oils, dirt, residue, and metal-caused discoloration, preventing scum buildup and maintaining crystal-clear water with zero manual effort. World-first surface skimming capability. Thanks to its dual propeller design, AquaSense Pro is the first pool robot capable of cleaning not just floors, walls, and water lines, but also the water surface. It efficiently captures floating debris such as leaves and branches before they sink. Smart return and surface parking innovation. With intelligent return technology, the robot automatically surfaces after cleaning or when battery levels run low. It then releases internal water and parks itself above the pool surface, eliminating heavy lifting and the hassle of retrieving it from the water. Safe wireless charging dock. The port-free wireless charging dock prevents water intrusion, reducing fire and corrosion risks. Its ergonomic vertical docking design allows easy placement for instant charging and neat storage, enhancing both safety and convenience. AI-powered navigation and full coverage. Driven by a quad-core CPU and 20 smart sensors, the robot uses advanced AI algorithms to map efficient S and N-shaped cleaning paths. This ensures maximum coverage, smooth obstacle handling, and optimized cleaning efficiency across complex pool layouts. Extended battery performance equipped with a powerful 10-400 mAh battery. AquaSense Pro delivers up to 9.5 hours of surface cleaning or up to 5 hours of continuous bottom cleaning, more than enough to clean pools up to 3,299 sq.ft in one cycle. Unmatched cleaning power and mobility. The industry-first Nana-Drive 9 motor system generates an impressive 5,500 GPH water flow rate for strong suction and reliable wall climbing. Extra-long dual roller brushes and a dual-track drive system ensure superior debris pickup and smooth navigation across in-ground pool environments. Durable build and full replacement warranty. Built with automotive-grade UV and heat-resistant IMR coating, and verified through 200-plus quality tests and 15 certifications, AquaSense Pro is engineered for longevity. Backed by a 2-year full replacement warranty from Beatbot, it offers unmatched peace of mind. Short outro overall, the Beatbot AquaSense Pro stands at the top of robotic pool care, combining intelligent automation, surface-to-floor cleaning, eco-friendly water clarification, and premium durability for truly effortless pool maintenance.